Croeso. Welcome to Chill Cymru, a meditative journey through the soul of Wales that is all about embracing the hwyl, a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. Each journey takes you to a different corner of this special country, through sound and story, wherever you are in the world. In this episode, you're in Cardiff Bay, by Caerdydd, where the city rests by the sea. A place shaped by water and by people, the ebb and flow of history. These shores once saw ships from every corner of the world, hungry for their loads of coal and iron. It was known as Tiger Bay, a temple to industry where the world met Wales. A melting pot of cultures still here today. Now a century has passed since those heady days. The tide carries a gentler rhythm, a new calm, slower, softer, but alive. A place where the city meets the sea. As you walk around the wide sweep of the bay, look around. Take in the curves of the Senedd building, our Welsh Parliament, built from the slate of North Wales, steel from Port Talbot, and oak from our Welsh forests. The red brick of the Pierhead building glows in the sunlight, the clock tower keeping a watchful eye on this place, a witness to so much history. And just beyond, the copper skin of the Wales Millennium Centre gleams in the light. Home to a stage where Wales and the world performs. Its vast bilingual inscription reaches skywards. In Welsh, creu gwir fel gwydyr o ffwrnais awen, creating truth like glass from the furnace of inspiration. In English, in these stones, horizons sing. Pause. Reflect on these words, their weight, their meaning. The sounds of the city are all around. The murmur of people walking by, footsteps on the boardwalk, music from waterfront cafes, the scent of coffee and warm pastries in the air. The cuisine of cultures here since the days this was the world's busiest port. But beyond, there's a quieter world waiting. The Wetlands Reserve where reeds and grass sway and coots and swans trace ripples across the surface. Here, nature and city breathe side by side. Stand by the water's edge. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes. Among the hum of life, center yourself. Connect to the rhythm of Cymru itself. You are calm. You are adref. Home. To plan your own visit and experience the real Wales, go to visitwales.com.